after we get around this corner. Here we go.
How many times has he seen this? Like a million?
He's done probably 10 pulls with me. Because he lives with me, so he gets to do all the fun race car stuff. Alright, Mars Bars is going to get his first taste of launch control. Just left a lot of smoke back there. Oh my god.
The windows of that house.
It would not hook up. It just kept spinning. That was so bad. Just torching the tires up. I swear to God, the nastiest I've ever missed third in this car has always been with a girl riding with me. Every time. I'll turn around up here and then hit it going the other way. Stop before the light. A little brake boost. What I tell you? Isn't that fucking nuts?
Yeah.
Oh. So this isn't something that you usually want to see. That's the outer ring of my harmonic balancer that completely came apart and is no longer on the car. So I'm going to be pulling this cover off and I'll show you afterwards what it looks like. Well, Houston, we have a problem. So waiting for a new harmonic balancer to get here. Give the old Daily a little ripperoonie here. Love this car. Well, the hits just keep on coming. I just blew the turbo in the 626. Yeah, that ain't good. Well, I'd say I'm not going anywhere today. Well, she's booked. Got it out, shaft's broken. Can't spin that thing or move it or anything. But the exhaust side spins freely. So that's what it was. Broke the shaft like I thought, blew up the compressor wheel. About to throw the fresh turbo in. This was some ghetto-tastic and not fun shit I had to do to get that turbo out. So here we are with a little progress on the white car. Long block is now fully assembled with a freshly rebuilt head. It's been checked for a line bore, it's been milled, it's had valves lapped, new seats, new guides, new valve stem seals and new lifters, as well as being hot tanked. Obviously it's been decked, so nice fresh rebuilt head. I didn't get the video of it before I put it together, nor the process of putting the engine together because we've all seen it a million times. But this car now has an assembled long block and tranny. I can throw the axles back in and start buttoning this thing up now. So I look forward to some progress on this thing here in a little bit. Doesn't pull bad. So what's up, everybody? I have been driving this 2016 Ford Fusion EcoBoost Turbo for a while now that I'm borrowing from a friend because I blew the turbo on the 626, and I don't know if I uploaded that video or not, but she had some serious problems going on. As you can see, the camshaft seal and front main are leaking really bad. Everything's covered in oil over here. Look at the alternator. So I'm going to have to do those eventually, but another big source of a leak is the valve cover gasket, which has just been leaking forever. And the thermostat gasket, and now the thermostat is sticking, causing the car to overheat for a few seconds before it opens. I don't like it. So today we are going to be changing the valve cover gasket, the thermostat, and thermostat gasket, and hopefully reducing some of these leaks. And then when I have some time for the car to be down, I will rip the timing side apart and do the front main and camshaft seal, which I already have. Just don't feel like doing it right now. So that's what I got going on today. Alrighty, so what a lot of people don't know about this car is it has 347,000 miles. And it's still my daily driver, still going strong, doesn't knock, it's got good oil pressure. Just leaks as a car this age will, and after pulling the valve cover, obviously it's got some varnish. Hardly any sludge or anything built up like that, which for the mileage of this engine, I've seen a lot worse at half the mileage. This thing runs like a top, and I'm gonna get these gaskets changed out and fix these leaks, and hopefully that helps out. So here we are, valve cover gaskets done, new thermostat in, new thermostat housing gasket, new upper radiator hose and clamps, the replacement turbos in, not running too bad at all for 347,000 miles. So here we are, test driving the 626. So far, temp is staying really good. It warmed up a lot faster than it did before, even though the coolant's bled. So maybe the thermostat was sticky open and closed. Car is running perfect. It's not steaming or smoking. The new turbo sounds good. So this is going to be a function to test, or this is going to be a test of the functionality of the 626. I'm going to do a poll here in in a little bit after I, get out of traffic and whatnot. And then I'll also be testing the audio of my new phone to see if it clips like the old one did, because I upgraded from the LG Stylo 5 to the Stylo 6. So I want to see how the audio turns out. But so far, I think my daily driver is back. And it got some much needed work I've been putting off. All right, here we go. Feels pretty good. Seems fine to me. Gonna be doing a little test hit here in a second. Oh shit, got like an M3 next to us. Probably gonna get gapped by that motherfucker, but if there's no cops, I'm gonna do a little test hit. I guess we'll see here in a second. All right, here we go. Damn, it feels good. All right, 626 is back.